Hey everyone. So today I'm heading eastbound on Highway 1 at Golden. I'm gonna find out if construction was really done in spring of 2024 up here. I'm hoping so. Better slow down. Driving too fast. So it looks like they have all the construction signage down. This is where they used to detour you when they closed the highway. So it's all gone. So I'm guessing that everything's done up here, but who knows? Oh. There we go. Ah, 100K. Wow. I guess that means
construction done?
Is the construction done? I guess I'm about to find out. There's no
orange.
No orange pilings.
No orange
Pylons,
signs.
no orange signs.
No, just no orange.
Yeah. They must be done. So let's take a drive through it.
Watch for big orange sheep.
That's kind of one-sided, don't you think? Bighorn? Because there is some sheep that have little horns. Aren't they called little horn sheep?
No.
Okay, so here we are on the Kicking Horse Phase 4 upgrade. It looks like people driving along here don't realize that the speed limit's 100K, but it is. Like this guy beside me here in the fast lane's doing 89, but going through the rock cut here. This is pretty nice. Nice to do at full speed.
So much smoke.
Well, it looks like dust to me. Well, yeah, there's smoke out in the air.
That was dust going the other way.
But it was... nice drive. It's nice to see it back at 100. Well, actually, it never was 100. It's always 80 coming up this hill, and then 50 and 60 going through the curves. So
Nice to just see it at 100.
nice to see it at 100 now. Steady. So that's it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, send me some comments, and we'll see you in the next video.